I found another new version of Lightning Link called Wild Chuco. I'm gonna try this one too. And let me turn it up. No. Yeah, same thing. 2-cent denomination, dollar bet. Same thing. I've never seen this one. Never played it. And I wonder if he's okay. Good. He is wild. And it's 60 cents. I wonder if this version will give me anything. I wonder what the bonus symbol is. Look at all those wilds that went by. Alright, that was $3. I wonder if that's the bonus symbol. Let's find out. That was nothing. Yes, it is the bonus. All right. I'm glad that didn't take long. Okay, so it's 8 games. I have no idea how this dynamite's. Oh, it was nothing. Safes. All right. It's going. Yeah, never mind. Yes. Oh, no. That's always great too. Getting the whole spins during the free games bonus. Let's see if the miner could actually drop again. Oh, don't do this to me. Small numbers, as long as it keeps going. Drop something else in there besides a small number. Last one. Alright. Okay, now this is the last one because it's not going to land. You don't even see it go by. But just in case anyone wonders, the grand is $12,000 bucks. But I'm not gonna get because you don't see it go by. Watch, look closely. You don't see it. But I'm not complaining. Besides, I'm still in the free games. Should be a little bit real free. That's not too bad. 25 bucks. And we're still in the free games. I wonder if coins come out during this. Okay, wild. Oh, good, it's not a dead spin. Coins or jack dynamite. Okay, queens. Same thing, at least it's not a dead spin. Oh, good symbol. Wilds. Yes. Too bad there's a cock-blocking bonus symbol, but it should still be a good hit. Oh, hell yeah, 77 bucks! Hey, that was good. That's 106 bucks. Not over 100x. Nice. Yeah, I'm just gonna play this down to 130. I'm just gonna do a couple backup spins. Unless, of course, it wants to keep going for me. So this version's doing me good too on my first try. That was 320. Oh, it would have been sweet to get it again. All right, last one right here. All right, so I made a $140 profit on Bengal Treasures, and now I'll make a $90 profit on Wild Chuco. This was my first attempt on this version.